Let's talk about how to build your credit if you've got no credit history. Let's say you're a credit ghost. You're a ghost in the financial system. You're off the radar. You exist, you got a job, you pay your rent, but to banks and lenders, you're invisible. And when you're invisible, you can't get a credit card, you can't get financing for a car, get destroyed on your insurance rates. You try to get your first loan with a thin file. It's something that's brutal to get. It's a catch 22. You don't want to be beholden to the banks, but without them, you need it. The no credit trap is awful. You end up having to put down huge security deposits and doing things you really shouldn't have to do because you don't have bad credit. You just have no credit. I'll give you a little blueprint here today on how to get yourself back on the radar. Become an authorized user. That's the cheat code, right? You find someone that's got a good credit card, good credit history, low balances, high limits, and let them put you on their card. You don't need the card physically. If their habits are perfect, you basically have a credit transplant in a way. That's immediate. Step 2, get yourself a secured card. Go to the bank. US Bank, Bank of America, Chase. Hand them $1,000. Tell them you want a secured card. Build a history that way. They'll report every month on that. And then in a year, you can get this card on your own. Pull the security deposit out. And you're building credit. You got a credit score. We had a young woman that came to see us not long ago who was a recent college grad, last 6 or 8 months or something along those lines. She never had any credit in her name. Didn't have a need for a credit card. Her stuff, her things, all the things were paid for by her parents. They put money in a debit card for her. She never had any credit. She graduates college, gets herself a great job. And then it's time to move out of the dorms, move out of her parents' house. And guess what? She got no credit. Well, her dad helped. I talked to her and I talked to her dad. Said, put her on your credit card. Co-sign the apartment. And as soon as her dad put her on her credit card, she went from a credit score of 630 to 740 based on his credit history. It's a credit transplant. It was beautiful, just as we had planned it. Want some help with your credit situation? Text the word credit to 702-778-2000. Free analysis of your credit awaits.